BULL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday is Webull stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only guy in this space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years, documented everything, so I have personally seen what's making me money and what's not. And especially just looking at bull, like bro, unless the price pulls down just a bit, I'm not just going to randomly blindly get involved and start buying, you know what I mean? So how this is going to look like, it's actually quite simple. I would love to see the price pulling down into my demand zone here. It's more so of a plan where it doesn't even have to pull this down. I just want to see a little correction so then I can take it further higher, and that's where this is going to end. I mean, beforehand I would just I absolutely love the shift that we've been experiencing here. Like, genuinely, this is so decent. So this and this, and that's exactly how BULL is going to look like for me. This is obviously not financial advice, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights absolutely free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.